Looking for a guide on Lark Player? While the app is excellent for organizing and playing music, it's important to know that it doesn't download songs from the internet. It only displays tracks that are already saved on your device. To use the app, you need to add MP3 files from trusted sources, which will then appear automatically in Lark Player. To get started, open the Google Play Store and search for Lark Player. Tap Install if it's not already on your device, or open if it is. Once inside the app, go to the top menu and select Songs. Since Lark Player only shows music saved on your phone, you'll need to download MP3s from trusted sources like YouTube to MP3 converters, Spotify if allowed, or other reliable websites. Once saved, the songs would appear automatically, ready to play offline, and the app organizes them for easy access. Lark Player is a free music and video player for Android and iOS, letting you play local files at no cost. The only paid option is an optional premium subscription, available monthly or yearly, which removes ads for a completely uninterrupted experience. Users praise Lark Player for being a very easy-to-use, reliable app that works well offline and offers good audio quality. A recurring issue, however, is that when editing a song's metadata, like artist or album, the changes sometimes don't save permanently, reverting to the original information. Despite this, most users still rate the app highly because of its overall performance and functionality. With Lark Player installed, you have a powerful, free tool to enjoy all your local music and videos offline with high-quality playback. Start adding your music now to make the most of its excellent features. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.